Hi guys, welcome back to part 5 of this. Is the final part of the Fabled Trove opening. I have got 2 of these left. One Steamboat Mickey and one Eye-to-Eye Goofy. Now, I saved Goofy to last because the last 2 Goofy packs have actually been quite nice to me. So let's see if Steamboat's got anything to add to this. Now, actually, I'm only just starting out in my Lorcana journey. Maybe that's the picture of that one. But I do have a friend who does trade in Disney Lorcana and other bits on a website, and I've been talking to him, and he might get me a discount code that I can offer for you guys for anything on his website. So I'll wait and see if that comes, what comes of that, and then as soon as I know, I will let you guys know, and I'll link to his website as well. Okay. So this one here starts off with the Casa Madrigal. Be our guest. Agrabah. A Tinkerbell. Coconut Basket. An Ariel. A Camilo Madrigal. Maui's Place of Exile. The Queen. A Lilo. Mulan. And the foil is Ariel. Now, last one of these, let's take a look and see what Goofy might have for us in this last pack. So, there we go. So that's the last one of those. We've got Louisa Madrigal just there. A Rapunzel. You Can Fly. Improvise. Jasmine. Another Cannons. Hey Hey. Card Soldiers. Smash! Another Robin Hood. A Rafiki. And there's a foil of Timothy Mouse I was talking about earlier. That does look quite nice. I do like that one. There we go. That is the cards from the Trove deck. Okay. So as I say, hopefully I will I will have another Trove for you from my friend. A discount code for you to use on this site, and hopefully some good pulls. Okay guys, thank you very much for your time. Take care. Goodbye.